Hello everyone, today is August 9th. It is Friday and the 5th day at the ELCA Churchwide Assembly here in Milwaukee, and just like the past few days, we have got to do some amazing work as a part of the churchwide expression of how we are church together. Today we elected a new secretary, Deacon Sue Rothmeyer, who will serve our church, working with the roster and the Constitution and many more things for the next 6 years. We accepted the social statement on faith, sexism, and justice, which in its draft form was known as Women in Justice. We accepted a strategy towards authentic diversity within the ELCA. We worked with many amendments and resolutions and constitutional changes. They're fascinating and interesting, and I'd be happy to tell you about all of them, but there's only so much time, so I will tell you about the one that I'm really excited about, the fact that deacons, moving forward, will be ordained. We will ordain our members of Word and Service as well as continuing to ordain members of Word and Sacrament. So in the future, all pastors and deacons in the ELCA will be ordained ministers, and I'm really excited for the future of the deacons and all that will be for our future deacons. I will remain a consecrated deacon, and that's just fine. I'm excited for the future, and I'd be happy to sit down and talk with you about what all that means. There's also some fact sheets that I can send you of FAQs on what that all entails. We also had the great opportunity today to celebrate the ordination of Word and Sacrament in regards to the 50th anniversary of women being ordained to the Word and Sacrament ministries. We celebrated 40th anniversary of women of color being ordained in Word and Sacrament ministries, and 10 years of people who are identified in the LGBTQ plus community ordained to Word and Sacrament. We had joyous celebration at worship. We had a banquet in celebration. That have inspired you. So shout out to all of you, especially at Shepherd. A huge shout out to Pastor Renee and all of the amazing work that you do. It is great to be in team with you. I celebrate your ministry and am grateful for who you are and the work that you do at Shepherd. So celebration for you. And that is a wrap for today. See you tomorrow.